Okay, welcome back. Now, this next video is to take you through the automated part of the robot. Now, remember, we're on the manual part, so all you need to do to get to the automated part is to click on execution, the execution menu there. So we then get here. Okay, so remember, before you can activate the robot, you want to do some settings. So simple to set it. The most important setting right here is this one, the BTC use for each entry position. So if you've entered this correctly, you can be sure that for other part of the setting, so long it's on the smart setting, the smart setting allows the robot to pick the best options for you. So at this setting, the robot is extremely very safe to use. Okay, so but for the other ones, it's the robot round and cycles. The robot works in rounds and in cycles. So you can have 12 rounds, which could be in maybe an hour. It could be let's say 1 day, or let's say 2 days, and we have four cycles per round. So that's 12 hours we're talking about per round. So, and we look at the exit strategy. We can never sell at a loss. Now, this could get you stuck at some point because it will not use stop loss at any time. So you may want to consider to activate, not to activate this. Then here, when you move into the next round, you want to move into the next round. We don't want you to sell because we set this. So suitability index drops allowed. Now this represents the stop loss. So when the stability index drops by 3, then we set to exit the coin. Okay, so I can save my setting. On the newer version, some very interesting settings are coming. I can't wait to take you through that. Okay, so I go to execution, then I activate the robot. Do you really want to activate? Activate. So when I click that, the robot now begins to search for coins that fits to the best option and criteria, and starts buying and selling for me. Now, it may be important to note at this point that this CMB, which is the manual, and the automated robot requires an API and a secret key for them to run. In my next video, I'm going to take you through one version that does not require an API and a secret key for those who do not like to allow a third-party application to use their APIs. So join me in the next video.